Okay, recording is okay. Who is started recording? Okay, no problem.
Mohit, me.
Okay,
Yeah,
so no
sorry.
problem. Okay, guys. So I will go through that Anil. So if you will go as a experience level, so your first question is tell me about yourself. So this is your first question. Tell me about yourself. I did not share my screen. You guys only can listen and you can give the answer.
Myself, Anil Kumar, I'm having 7 years of experience into manual and automation testing, and I work for banking and e-commerce domains. And also, when it comes to automation, I work with Selenium Java, and I have good experience in Maven, TestNG, and different frameworks like Page Object Model, Data Driven Framework. So my roles and responsibilities are understanding and analyzing the requirements, preparing test cases and preparing test scripts for automation, and I am responsibilities for regression testing when the client, based on the requirement,
Mm-hmm.
and executing the test cases and raising the defense and maintaining these things in one in tool like QC, attending daily scrum meetings, and I am responsibility for running bad jobs on monthly wise.
Okay.
This is my roles and responsibilities.
Any others can tell me? Tell me about yourself. Dasri, you can go ahead. You are there, right?
Yeah, Mohit.
Yeah, go ahead. See, if you will speak, then I will guide you where you have to work and what you have to speak. Right?
Yeah,
So, okay.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. My name is Dasar Venkat Shivaya. I'm into the software testing department, and I have overall year of experience, around 5+ year of experience. And I'm into the automation and manual both. And I've just worked in an UFT as well as Selenium, and both in Selenium also coming to my roles and responsibilities, gathering the requirement and all the and gathering requirement of test cases and how far it is feasibility of test cases, developing the test cases. Once we get developed, and we'll day by day we do execute in day by day we used to execute in Jenkins. Once we are done with the day job, we put all the developer cases tonight, and the next day we'll be having a results. What will be the results of developer test cases? We'll be sharing across the team based on the development status. On present, I'm into the Guideware application, working in a Guideware application.
Okay. Others can go ahead.
Yeah, hi Mohit. Ankur this side.
Yeah.
This is Ankur and Ankur Shah, and I am currently working in Cognizant Technology Services as a QA lead. I have 9 years of experience in manual testing and more than 3 years of experience in automation testing. Currently, I am working in the Indiables project, and my roles and responsibility is. Selection and identification of test cases for automation for existing test cases, documentation, and applying and designing and test automation strategy document, and configure Selenium test environment for setup. Example, like Java, Selenium, WebDriver, and TestNG, etc. Automation framework design and implementation according to the project structure. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Anyone others? Sandhya, you can go ahead.
But I worked as a project coordinator, like in my domain, electrical engineer as a.
No, you go ahead. Go ahead. Whatever you can speak about yourself, you can go ahead. This is the way you can, you cannot hesitate anywhere, right? So you
Correct.
can see the people already working, right? So you are presenting here. I will tell you the what you have to tell. First you have to present what you have. Got it?
Okay.
That's
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, myself Sandhya Rani. I worked as a project coordinator for 2 years, and as a project coordinator, I worked in SS Electrical and Company, which is in Gurgaon, and my job and responsibility belonging to the project coordinator, that is the following: maintaining and monitoring project plan and project schedules, work hours, budgets, and expenditures, and documenting and following up on important actions and decisions from meetings, and preparing necessary presentation material for meetings, and like access projects risk and issues and provide solution where applicable, and they as a project coordinator that I worked, that was my that were my responsibility. Thanks.
Okay, Salini, if you want to go ahead, if you go, if you want, you
Yeah,
can, you,
normally,
yeah, yeah,
like
go ahead.
fresher level, I can say Mohit because I
Yeah,
don't know all these roles and
no,
responsibilities.
no
Something
problem.
they're saying
No,
meetings.
no, no,
I'm
no problem.
really shocked. I'm listening so many new words like that. I'm feeling now. So just like normal fresher, if you want to introduce myself, then I'll try like that. But
Yeah,
as experienced, I don't like
yeah, yeah.
wording and
I
all.
will guide you as experience as a automation tester. I will guide you. So just you can present, then we can go ahead.
Yeah, okay. Hi Mohit, it's my pleasure to introduce myself. As you know, my name is Shalini. I have done my post graduation in computer science and engineering. I've completed the post graduation in the year of 2016 with distinction, and presently I'm taking the course of Selenium with Java. My strengths are self motivated, hardworking, and a disciplined person. I like to learn the new technologies. Previously, I worked as a technical support engineer for Datasoft Networks for a couple of years. Just I wanted to like work for the technical side. So presently I'm learning the Selenium. And my short-term goal is to do a job in a reputed organization. And coming to my long-term goal, I want to achieve a good position in the organization which I work for. That's all about myself. Thanks for giving this opportunity, Mohit.
Oh, nice. Very nice. Your presentation is very good. Okay. So nice. Everyone is having the own, I appreciate everyone. You guys are participating, and day by day, if you are doing the practice, you will get more confidence. Then I will tell you what exactly you have to tell me about yourself. Okay. So you guys having 7 year experience and 9 year experience. So what you can do, you can divide your uh, work experience, manual and automation, right? So if you having the 7 year experience, how much you are doing the practice, you can, you know yourself how much you are doing the practice. So as per you can put the experience. I will prefer 3 to 4 year you can put on that in my session. You can put more also. How much you are doing the practice, it depend upon you. Okay. So what we will highlight as a automation test engineer, if you are speaking yourself, how you will get the job, you will get first how the calls will come. Your skill, right? So you did not highlight your skill. Everyone did not speak about my skill. Okay. So this is very very point the HR are looking for while picking your profile, and interviewer is looking for your skill. So you have to highlight your skill, then they will pick you from your skill. So your resume, I will not I'm not sending right now the any resume when we will complete our syllabus. I'm not telling you you can attend right now the interview, because you will waste your opportunity, right? Wait for some time, we will prepare all the thing, then we will come on the market. Okay. So you have to highlight your skill. So as a automation test engineer, we have to present, right? So first thing, tell me about yourself. Your introduction is very short. You have to give the chance to the interviewer will ask the question to you, right? If I will speak more, then what happened? The interviewer will become irritated, right? right? So we will highlight the point where is your strong point. They will pick you that point, and you are the responsible to crack the interview in the interview room, right? So tell me about yourself, your name, where are you from, your graduation. Then you can come about uh, you know professional career. So I having a more than 6 year of experience in testing profile. About my relevant experience, you have to also highlight relevant experience. Okay, I worked as a 3 year in automation and 3 year in manual. Currently I am working in XYZ company. In my session, don't speak any your organization name, because this video will be uploaded in the YouTube. Okay, so don't highlight any personal thing about my currently I am working in XYZ organization. Then will come about my skill. Okay, currently about my, when you will come, your name, where are you from, and where you have done your graduation. Three things you have to tell before entering your professional. So about my professional career, I having a 6 year of experience in IT. I worked as a a testing profile. About my relevant experience, this point you have to highlight how much experience you have, right? So 3 year I worked as a manual tester, and 3 year I worked as a automation tester. Currently, I am working as a automation testing profile. About my skill, I am good in Code Java, Selenium WebDriver, manual testing. I having the basics knowledge of DevOps. So this thing you have to highlight. Second thing, right? If you will come, then you have to tell currently my roles and responsibility in this project. So you have to highlight currently we need to show we are working as automation test engineer. So what you have to speak your roles and responsibility. Basically the work will be divided, right? Sometimes we have to do manual with automation. So you have to highlight I am working currently as a automation test engineer. So what is the roles and responsibility basically for automation test engineer? I did not teach you guys framework. Basically we are working on a framework, right? So if you will go in the any organization, so framework is already existing. Then you have to understand the flow of the framework. Then as per the test cases, we you have to automate. So what is the roles and responsibilities? So in my organization, we having the existing framework. That framework is based on the Maven structure. So Maven structure, we having the two folder, test folder and main folder. So basically we are getting the manual test cases, and that manual test cases we have to automate as per my framework, right? So I did not teach you the framework part. So basically your roles and responsibility to automate your test cases on your framework, using your framework. Every company having the framework. So basically what is your part? You have to create page object model. As per the manual test cases, I need to create the page object model. Then if any new requirement is there, then we need to create reusable method, right? We have created base class, right? How we are creating every method as per the test steps. After that my development script development is ready. Then I have to execute all the test cases end to end. Okay, if any failure is there, the failure is two part. One is your script related and one is your application related, right? Application related means if you having the defect, right? So it is a very less chance to get the defect in your automation. Mostly we are getting the defect in your manual testing, right? So automation part will come inside is your regression testing, right? Sorry, automation picture will come when we will get the regression testing part, right? So we are going to do automation, right? So I'm not completely here highlight the roles and responsibility. So we will also discuss regarding roles and responsibility. What will happen if you will tell just I am giving you, I will not highlight this roles and responsibility. Just I will give you the little bit idea about of that, because roles and responsibility I did not teach you, right? Framework. So myself Mohit, I am from Bihar. I have done BTech from West Bengal University. About my professional career, I having around 6 year of experience in testing profile. About my relevant experience, I worked 3 year as a manual testing and currently and 3 year as a automation test engineer. Currently, my profile is automation testing. And about my skill, I am good in Code Java and Selenium WebDriver, having the basics knowledge of DevOps tool like Jenkins, Git, Maven. And about my current project, so I am working in healthcare domain and completely I'm doing the automation work. So in my organization having the existing framework. So what is my role day to day activity right current in my current project? So I'm getting the manual test cases from manual team. I need to understand the test cases end to end. Then as per the test cases, we have to automate all the test cases. So what is the my work? So first I have to create all page object model. We are finding the element and creating the page object model. First thing is development. I develop the script. After that I have to execute all the script, whatever the developer script into it. If any failure is there, I need to fix that failure. And if everything is fine, then I have to send to report to my lead or senior teammates. So everything looks good, then I will close the test cases. So this is roles and responsibility and day-to-day activity right now in my project. That's all. Like that you have to speak, right? How I spoke, right? So I also miss this one point. Currently I am working this point. This line I miss it, you can add it. So when you will tell about your skill, then interviewer will ask, how uh, are you good in the core Java? Out of 10, how will you rate? Anil, out of 10, how will you rate in your core Java? Then they will come on your technical part. Yes. Out of 10, how will you rate in your core Java?
Hello.
Yes. Are you able to hear me? Hello. Any others people can go ahead. So they will ask, you are good in the core Java, right?
Mohit, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm able to hear you. No, your rating must be 7, okay? Got it right? If someone will ask, out of 10, how will you rate? Your rating must be 7. Okay, 7 is your standard rating. Anything they will ask to you. Okay, so your rating should be 7. So, okay, so I will tell you, okay, you having the good rating. Can you give me a one real-time example of interface where you have used in your Selenium? Or you can give any real-time example for interface. This is the interview question. Anyone can speak. If you are Anil, you are able to speak, that is fine. Okay, or anyone can speak.
We can say Selenium WebDriver itself is an interface.
Mhm. Okay,
And
so okay,
when
that is fine. My question is first, what is interface? Why interface? And can you give me a one real-time example for interface? Yes. Go ahead. Go ahead. You should not have a time in your interview room, right? If you will stuck,
yes,
yeah, you should not stuck. You have to start. Okay.
in,
Understand you are giving the interview, live interview. If you will feel like that, 95% question is repeated. Definitely you will enjoy if you will get the interview call. Okay.
okay, interface can have unimplemented methods. The class
Mm-hmm.
which implements from interface should implement all these methods.
Mm-hmm.
For example, if you take WebDriver is an interface, we can have classes like Chrome driver, IE driver, Opera driver. These are the classes. So these implements from WebDriver. Whatever the methods we are available in WebDriver, These classes are implemented separately.
Okay. Anyone others can tell what is interface, why interface,
Yeah.
and real time? Yeah.
Uh, interface, we create the interface using the interface keyword. Just like classes, interface also contain properties, methods, delegate or event, but only declaration and no implementation.
Hmm.
Interface members are public by default.
Okay.
Um yeah.
Okay.
Or we can say and yes, interface one, we can inherit one interface to other interface as well.
Okay. Anyone others?
Yes. Interface is a reference type in Java, and it is similar to class, and it is a collection of abstract method. Like a class implements an interface, and they were inheriting the abstract matter of the interface.
Okay. Dasri, is there or not? Okay, guys. So what I'm not telling you my notes. You can prepare and speak same like that. But my observation, okay, we can speak, complete technical word. Okay, point to point we have to speak because we having a very less time to, in your interview room, right? Less time, very less time, 20 minutes. How to tell them I am very good in this profile out of 100 people. So your competition is there for 100 and 200 people, which is already there in the interview, right? Why they will select to you? Got it, right? So our agenda is we will speak point to point with complete technical word. So just go through my notes, what is I have written, right? How I presented. You can watch my video session, right? For interface, right? So someone will ask what is an interface. So first you have to tell definition, right? So what is interface? Interface is a super class type. It is a type of the class. Okay, and we create the interface as a root level. And what is an interface? It is a fully unimplemented class. Inside this interface, we are not providing any implementation. Inside this interface, we are providing only declaration. We are providing only set of operation. As a technical word, how to write the code for providing the operation or declaration, we use abstract method. So abstract method, we don't have any body, only we have a declaration part. Inside this interface, abstract class is by default public and abstract. If you are not giving the public and abstract, by default compiler will add. We can declare variable. So if you are not declare variable public static final, by default it will add by the compiler. How to create an interface? By using uh, interface keyword. So what is the advantage? Why interface? Because as with respect to class, we cannot perform multiple inheritance. But with respect to interface, we can perform multiple inheritance. Okay. So if you have some designing, if I will go in the real time, so we need to have some design of the software operation. One operation we need to develop, or we have to develop the multiple operation. Like if I will go in the Selenium WebDriver, so Selenium WebDriver is an interface. So we have a multiple operation inside this Selenium WebDriver, right? We have a get method, right? We have a get method, find element, get text, close method. So these are the operation. So we what we have did inside this interface, just we have provided the operation as per the project requirement. We will implement and we will use. So your answer and my answer, which one is good? So I'm not demotivating you guys. Definitely day by day, you will, come on this, how I am presenting, try to acquire my presentation skill, and we will speak like, you are real working and you are very, technically sound. Okay, so I'm not exploring anything more here. So you can, I think you learn many things right today. One is you can, this session is recorded. What I spoke in tell me about yourself, just go through that. And I have given one answer: why interface, what is interface, and real time example of the interface. So same, if I will ask any topic, your answer should be like that. Okay, how you have to do the preparation? So you have a 5 days, right? Everyone having the own task, your office work, homework, that is fine. You can spend 1.5 hour daily. Even I am also learning after office, minimum 1 hours and 2 hours. If I will not study 1 hours, I feel very bad. So you have to make the habit to learning. Okay, how much you will learn, that much you will earn in IT sector, right? This is the IT sector. How much you are learning, that much you will earn. Okay, so you can make one plan. Okay, so and one make one target. And my notes, okay, whatever my notes is there, you can do 100 times of the practice, it doesn't matter. Okay, you can speak yourself. I told you right before how to present yourself. Open your webcam, see what you can do. 4 days you can do the preparation. Friday till Thursday. Friday you can take your interview yourself. Open your webcam or open your mobile camera, and whatever you have learned 4 days you can present. Then you can think, Sunday is my live interview, I have to qualify, right? So like that you can do the practice day by day, day by day, day by day. You are prepared everything, right? If you are doing the practice, you are prepared for your job after getting the job. And before getting the job, I am preparing to you guys. Okay, so work on that. So I'm going to stop your session. I think you got many things, many idea about of that, so you can work on that. So main agenda is we have to, your technically you have a strong, and second thing your real time. There is nothing third thing, right? Technical and your real time, that's it. So now you have to make the strong, technically strong. Okay, okay, I'm stopping your session. I don't want to spend more time. This is only for your guidance. I'm guiding you guys, and you have to work on that. That's it. Okay, so next session I'm expecting you can perform better than me. Okay, okay, all of you. Bye. Okay.